Introducing the 2022 Hyundai Tucson ix35 Executive HEV 5-door auto in sleek grey. This hybrid MPV is equipped with top-of-the-line features for comfort, convenience and safety, including ambient lighting, collision avoidance braking and more. With a 1.6-litre petrol-electric engine and automatic transmission, this vehicle offers a smooth and efficient driving experience. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive warranty and a full multi-point health and safety check. Don't miss out on this advanced and stylish car. Call us or visit our website jonarismotors.ie for more information. Drive with peace of mind in the Hyundai Tucson ix35 Executive HEV.